Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. So our today's topic is what good karmas you are reaping. So the things you which you have done for others, or you might have helped animals, you might have helped people, uh, whether energetically, emotionally, mentally, economically, physically. So what are the benefits of those karmas you are going to reap? Okay, so basically what good karmas are coming to you, what good karmas you are reaping. Okay, we will see that energy. And please remember, this will be a general reading, it may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. We have two options in front of us. Option number one is this blue and green grapes. Option number one. Option number two is this purple and green grapes. Okay, so you can choose any one of them. Okay, you can pause the video, meditate on the video. We will start with this option one. This is option two. We will start with this option. So what good karmas you are reaping? So let's see, guys. Friendliness, harmony. We have the yes card. Wow. We have your hard work is paying off. New moon in Capricorn. We have 8 of Swords. We have 5 of Pentacles. We have Wheel of Fortune. We have 9 of Wands. We have 4 of Pentacles. I'll just keep this aside so that we have 6 of Wands, and we have Ace of Swords. So good karmas you are going to reap is that wherever you are right now, your life is going to change like anything in a positive way, because of your good karmas, whatever you did for good for others. I can see some of you are facing money issues, money trouble, or you have lost your job or lost some money or business or something like that. So those your good karmas are that you are going to have plenty of money, and it is going to change, your life is going to change suddenly, because we have received the Wheel of Fortune card. So yes, with this Wheel of Fortune card and Ace of Swords card, I can see that you are going to receive a lot of clarity, you are going to receive the truth, you are going to get money, you are going to get rewards of your hard work, you are going to get victory, success, peace, harmony. You'll come out of the stuck situation, you'll come out of the stagnant situation, you'll come out of the fearful thoughts. Those sort of karmas are coming to you because of Wheel of Fortune and Ace of Swords. And your life is going to change like anything. You'll be wondering that how it has happened. For many of you, you have faced some sort of loss in recent past in money regarding situation, or it can be emotional as well. Okay, for some of you it can be emotional as well. So those sort of, I hope you can see, sorry, it's the glare is coming. So yeah, and for some of you, you are going to see the lot of truth of people, or friends or family member around you. You are going to see that true face, or you will get some clarity, some sort of clarity. Those are your good karmas. Because of it, you are going to know that who is wishing you good and who is not wishing you good. Yes, those sort of vibe I am getting. And some of you, I can see, sense you have worked very hard, you are still working very hard, and your hard work is going to pay off. Okay, I can sense the 8 of Pentacles energy also over here, though I have not received that card, but I can sense that you have worked very hard, and you are facing some money loss, so I can sense that good karma is coming, is that your hard work is going to pay off. Okay, in next till the next Capricorn season, you all are going to receive your good karmas. Okay, if you are since long time you are planning on some project, or you are working on some project, and you want success and victory, or you want name and fame or some recognition in that, it is going to happen. Okay, if you are doing something on your own, or you might have started some project. And for some others of you, if you have lost a relationship, your partner, your person, some sort of breakup has happened, then I can see a peace will come, harmony will come. And it was might be he or she was your twin flame or higher level soulmate. Then you know uh, I can see the sense of relief is coming because of your good karmas. And for some of you, you have some other personal issues which you are not able to tell anyone, and you feel stuck, you feel like stagnant, situation is stagnant, everything is holding you back, life is holding you back. You want to do something, you are not able to do something, and you can't even share with others. So those sort of stagnant or any personal situation problem you are facing, you are going to come out of that situation. Okay, and if you have a lot of fears or any sort of fears, you are going to get out of that thoughts and fears, and you will receive a lot of communication regarding you will receive a lot of communication and clarity also. Okay, that is of because of your good karmas, you are going to receive the truth. Okay, yeah. For some of you, you are still spending money, like you go for a shopping and you have to think that how much money I'll have to spend, what I'm going to do, I'll need to take care of this, I have to take care of that. So all those sort of, I need to pay that bill, I need to save money, and those sort of things. When you go for shopping, you need to think twice that before buying anything, you will have to see everything on budget or not, everything is on the list or not. So those sort of vibe I'm getting. So you will come out of that situation. Okay, that you don't need every time you go, you don't need to look for the you know uh, that you have enough money or not, because you are going to receive enough money. Yes, and we have received the big yes from the spirits that everything is going to be positive in your life. Okay, I can also sense for some of you, you might be not expecting right now, you don't have any job, you have not achieved anything in life till now, and you are like feeling that life is boring, life is not going anywhere, you feel stuck. I can see your life is going to change. Like anything, you will feel like you have the name, fame, success, like a celebrity. You'll be famous person, you will get fame, name, success, money, victory, those sort of 360-degree your life is going to change, that I can feel. Okay, R initial, A initial, L T O M I, yeah, R L. These are the initial signs. I'll tell you: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Taurus, Aquarius, and Libra, Gemini as well. These signs I am seeing, and Capricorn also. And in next Capricorn season, or up to next Capricorn season, you are going to reap all the good karmas, all the benefits of your karmas, good karmas. Okay, whatever you have done for good for others, whether in your past life or whether in this lifetime, you are going to reap all the good karmas. Okay, that is what I am feeling. For some of you, I can sense that you might be fearful or scared to do something, to start something. This is the message for you. Go for it. Okay, take action and start whatever is on your mind, whether it is you want to start up your business, your own business, your online business, or you want to start up your YouTube channel, or you want to start your project, anything you want to start, go for it. Okay, this is the sign. Don't be disturbed, don't be fearful, and don't be in your scared thoughts. So and if you'll go for it, there are chances you'll get, there are chances, and I can see you'll succeed like anything, like anything. You'll get recognition, you'll get appreciation, you'll get name, fame, money, everything, along with that you'll have peace and harmony also in your life. That is what I am feeling. And for some of you, if you feel like you don't have good friends around you, or you are not able to find your soulmate or a true love or a good friend, you are going to receive it. Okay, you are going to receive your true love also, and you are going to receive your good friends also. But you might not get a lot of good friends, but one or two good friends you will have, that those friends will help you in your bad times. Like quality over quantity. Okay, so you'll, even if you'll get one friend, but that friend will be very much good and helpful. Okay, not like your current friends or your past friends who have never helped you. For some of you this can be. So yeah, for those, from your good karmas, you are going to get good friend, one or two good friends, or and also a true love, true life partner. That is what I am feeling for you. For some of you, you'll get some job offer if you are looking for job, or some sort of new opportunity or new gift also you are going to receive. And a lot of new opportunity I am seeing in your life, in every area of your life, in money area, in emotional matter, physically, mentally, economically, socially, in every area I can sense, because of this Wheel of Fortune card. This is very strong card. You are going to be, successful like anything. I just want to pull out some charms for you. Let's pull out some charms. Oh my god, see, I've told you, like, for some of you, you might be on a twin flame journey. So we have received the white and black, yin and yang symbol, so charm. So definitely there are chances you'll meet your twin flame if you haven't met, but I can see you guys are already know, or you have met already your twin flame. So you are going to be in union or reunion with your twin flame. That is a good karma you are reaping right now. Initials for you is K. We have received A, and another initial which I have already told you, TAROMLI. Okay, W and N also for some of you, ISL also for some of you. These are the initials, and K. Okay, so, and for some of you, if you don't, I can sense you don't have your own home, or you are looking for your own home, you want to shift, or you want to travel somewhere, or you are like, renting an apartment. I can see from your good karmas which you are reaping, you are going to reap that you will have stability and you will have your own home. Definitely this charm, I can sense you'll have your own home. And also I can sense lot of negative people are around you, and you are getting lot of disturbance also in your life, or trouble or irritation or frustration or disturbance or anger because of haters, or because of the bad friends or bad people are around you. So you'll get the protection from those sort of people. That is your good karma which is going to come very soon, in near future, very soon. Okay, for some of you I can sense the timing is from now onwards till the next Capricorn season. Okay, so yeah. So if you are facing any sort of evil eye, or any sort of evil eye, or any sort of, what I can say, disturbance or anger or frustration, or bad friends, bad people are sending, you know hating you, or those sort of vibe you are getting from, negative vibe from you are getting from your own people. Yeah, like can be your friends, family, colleagues, or anyone around you, neighbors also. Then I can see protection is coming. That is your good karma which is coming to you. Okay, and twin flame union is also coming. If there was a black magic has done in your twin flame relationship or higher level divine soulmate relationship, then I can see, or any sort of interference, third party's interference was there, then I can see it will be cleared out. Okay, it will be cleared out of your life. If someone has used sharp tongue towards you, or someone did interfere in your relationship with your partner, with your twin flame soulmate, then I can see those people will be removed out of your life. Okay, that is also the reason of your good karmas. Okay, I can see you have a pet, in a cat, if not cat or any sort of pet. You are taking care of animals. You are, or you are rescuing animals, or you are giving them food, cat, dog, whatever, birds. You are giving them water or food or something like that. You are helping them in some sort of way, or you are rescuing them, or you are working voluntary with NGO, or I don't know, some sort of organization who rescue animals. So directly or indirectly, you are helping some pets, you are helping some animals, or you have a pet. So those good karmas you are reaping, that you are going to be, if you are helping any animal, even one cat, a single cat, if you have a pet, you are taking care of it, or you are helping a lot of animals, giving back, giving them food. So that karma will that karma will give you the benefits in long term, that your name will spread everywhere like a fragrance. Okay, your name will be famous like a fragrance, in a positive way, like it will be spread positively, your name. So in short, you will gain name and fame because of your good karmas, which you are helping a single cat or a pet, or you are helping a lot of animals, or you are giving even one animal you are giving food. So those good karmas you are planting, and you are going to reap the fruits soon, very soon. And that will be, your name will spread positively everywhere with like a fragrance. So those sort of vibe I am getting. Wow. And any disturbance or situation you feel right now, you feel like, oh, nothing is going good in my life, everything is stuck and stagnant, don't worry, you are going to come out of it, definitely. With this Wheel of Fortune card, I am again and again saying charm, I don't know why. So with this Wheel of Fortune card, nothing is impossible, everything is possible. Okay, you are going to be reunited with your twin flame in this lifetime. You are going to get name and fame in this lifetime. You are going to get victory and success in whatever project or business or work you do. And if you are homeless, or if you are looking for a home or new apartment, or currently you are renting an apartment, you are going to get your, or you are going to have your own apartment or own house or home. If you are looking for any sort of stability, whether it is money stability, whether it is a partnership stability, or whether it is a living stability, you are going to receive it, definitely. Wow. And a lot of people will be cut out of your life, for some of you, because those people will be not good for you, or were not good to you, or are not good to you. Those people will be cut out of your life, and your life will be very peacefully, harmony. Your life will be like peace, harmony, with peace, harmony and clarity. So no BS, no bullshit, no BS, no no dirty talks, no dirty people, no manipulation, no mind games, only purity you will have, only peace you will have, only and only harmony and love and good people you will have around you. And lot of negativity, negative thoughts, negative people, negative environment will be cut out of your life very fast, very soon. And those are your good karmas which you are reaping, and you will soon reap the benefits of it in near future up to next Capricorn season. Okay. uh, Although time can be differ for everyone, but still I'll have to give some timeline than Capricorn season I can see. Okay, you can also manifest or attract on new moon by writing down on a paper, and or just praying to God, angel, universe, whomever you believe in, that this is your wish, thank you for giving me this and that. You will have to speak like that, that you already have that thing with you. For example, you want car, then you will have to pray on new moon, and every new moon, to your angels, God, universe, that thank you for giving me this car. So like that. Okay, so be positive. Okay, just don't get so caught up in your thoughts and don't be negative, just be in positive vibration, and you'll attract a lot of good things, good people. Okay, and good money. That is what I am feeling for you. So those are your good karmas which you are reaping off. And I want to pull out some messages I am going to use today, first time in your reading. Some messages, let's see, some smileys. And wow, see the moon. I'm telling you, you guys are on twin flame journey. We have received the moon. Over here we have received the twin flame charm, and over here we have received the friendliness. So twin flame journey, the star. So see, your wish is going to be fulfilled. You are going to, I can see this star is blushing, so you're going to receive new love, a new romance, or definitely if you are looking for new partner, you'll get that partner. You'll be blushing, you'll be smiling. And for those who waiting for soulmate or ex or past life lover, then I can see your wish will be fulfilled, and you'll shine like a star. I'm telling you, you people are going to be famous. Those are your good karmas. See, wow. You are going to be famous. Another message for you is, it's all about the journey. See, so currently you might be feeling your journey is like tough, and nothing is going on your way. For some of you, you are very fearful, you have doubts in your mind, you have a lot of thoughts in your mind, you have a lot of negative thoughts, fear. So those sort of things are going to change, guys. So just keep this in your mind, that it is all about the journey. Okay, it will not be permanent. Okay, and you will be blushing and smiling, like I've said. Yes, a lot of smileys I have received in your pile. 1 2 3. So your life is going to, like, you'll smile like this, anything, you'll laugh, you'll smile. So those are the good karmas which you are reaping off. Take a picture, it will last longer. Okay, so I can sense and I can see that you are maybe looking at someone's picture or social media, or looking at someone's videos, or missing that person. So message is for you that that person is coming. If that person is your twin flame or high level soulmate or divine connection you have, then that person is coming. Okay, the person whom you love, whom you thinking about, or like they are in your memories, you are looking at their pictures. So that person is coming. Okay, and you are going to be forever with each other. That is the good karma you are reaping. Okay, and you'll be getting benefits of it in your future. Okay, of your good karmas, you'll reap your good karmas very soon. Okay, so your relationship is going to last forever. Okay, with whom? With the person whom you are thinking about, and with the person whose picture you are looking at on social media or in your mobile or whatever. So with that person I'm talking about. So these are your good karmas. Okay, so I hope you guys liked my charm reading style, messages style. So Please like, share, subscribe, and give thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know. And you can join me also on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Okay, and for personal reading you can check all the details I have mentioned in the description box below. Thank you so much guys. Namaste, love and light to you. Bye bye guys. We'll move to the pile 2 now. Okay, let's see. You can fast forward. Those who have chose pile 2. So we will see those who have chose. Please remember this was a general reading. Okay, now let's see those who have chose this grapes, purple and green grapes. What good karmas you are reaping off, what good karmas you will reap, or what good karmas are going to benefit you in near future, or basically what good karmas you are going to receive, you are going to reap. Okay, expect powerful change. Wow, first of all we have received the big card which is saying expect powerful change. I hope you guys can see, because it's a light glare. Thunderbolt reverse. So in recent past or in past you have received some sort of tower moment or shocking endings, or some sort of ditching and bitching you have faced, gossiping you have faced. These things will be removed out of your life. That I can see. First good karma. Second good karma is that expect powerful change. You feel like everything seems to be going wrong and not in your way, but expect powerful change. New moon eclipse, it is going to change like anything. For some of you, you are very innocent people, and others can use you sometimes because of your innocence, because of your purity. So you have a pure heart, and some of you feel like people might have used you or taking advantage of you because of your kind and innocent and pure heart. That is going to be changed. I mean to say, you might be feeling like you are going into downfall or something like that. Something you have faced like in past, like a tower moment, some sort of cheating, and those sort of vibe I am getting from this spy. Some sort of cheating, deceptive energy, or someone has used you physically, whether it is you or whether it is someone else. I can sense for some of you, you have did something bad to someone, or someone has did wrong to you, whether it was cheating, lying, deceptive energy, or took advantage of you in somewhere, in some way. Then I can sense, it is going to change. Expect powerful change. And with this yes card, I can see it is going to change. The situation will be improve. We have received the Queen of Wands and King of Wands. So you guys are stalking someone. I don't know whom you are stalking, but you guys I don't know. I know for sure you are stalking your divine counterpart, your twin flame, because we have received Queen of Wands and King of Wands, and this queen is looking over here and this king is looking to this queen. So this is your energy basically. King of Wands energy you are into, I can feel, those who's watching, but it can be vice versa. You can be in Queen of Wands energy as well. Take according to your gender and your situation. So are you looking to someone's pictures, or you looking for looking on someone's social media, or you are stalking someone somewhere, from you're passing by from someone's house or something like that. You are looking at this queen like very intuitive, very smart, intelligent, charming, good looking personality, or they are like very beautiful, very shiny, and very pure heart. They have strong intuition. Those sort of vibes you get from this person, or them, and you are looking their pictures and social media, you are stalking them, and you want to be with them. So there are chances someone might have interfered in your relationship, and either you have cheated them or deceived them, or either someone else has interfered in your relationship, or either they have cheated you. It is going to be resolved. In short, a third party involvement I am seeing over here in this energy. Though I have not received any third party card, but I am getting the energy because I am an intuitive tarot reader. I don't read cards traditionally, so I can sense that third party's interference is there in your relationship, whether you have deceived this person, or whether you think a lot and you have cheated this person, or someone else has interfered, or someone is continuously in your ear about this person, saying bad things about this girl or this person, this feminine energy. Then I can see that thing is going to change. Okay, again, please take this energy according to your situation. Okay, this can be vice versa also. I might be tapping into your person's energy, but for most of you male are watching this, and you have masculine energy, and you are looking at this feminine energy who is very gorgeous, and you miss her, or you miss them, her or him, take according to your situation, gender. And someone has deceived over here, someone has deceived someone over here. Now you are thinking about that person. This relationship might be was in and out, on and off. Okay, and some sort of tower moment you guys have faced in past, and now that person is now bossed up, and you are facing some sort of downfall. Okay, because you are very pure and innocent heart, and the heart, you have very pure and innocent heart. That is why someone might have said something wrong to you about this lady, and you have believed them. Those sort of vibe I am getting. And you love that person loves you. Whatever the situation is, expect a powerful change. Love is coming, and you will be with this person, whomever you are thinking about. Okay, whoever is in the Queen of Wands energy, you'll be meeting this person, you will be talking to this person again. You think a lot, I can sense. You contemplate or think a lot before going to sleep, or when you are alone, you think a lot about this person. This energy I am getting from you. Someone over here might be was very controlling, whether controlling in you used to control that person, or that person used to control you, or someone over here used to control someone. That is going to be changed. Okay, that good karma is coming. Maybe it will take some time. For some of you, in next new moon eclipse. Okay, that those things will change. For some of you after a month or so, and for some of you within few weeks, and for some of you it can take longer period, few months as well. So those sort of vibe I am getting, but I don't know, in this energy, this is you who's watching this pile, you have chose this pile. You were at fault in this relationship issue. You were at fault. You have you have behaved very sneakily with this person, with this Queen of Wands energy. Though you are a counterpart, though you love her, though you think she is beautiful, but still you have deceived her, or cheated her, or you have listened to the third party, or you have chose third party over her or him, something like that. So expect a powerful change. You guys have faced tower moment, that person has faced tower moment because of you. So now you are going through some sort of downfall, and in somewhere in your heart and soul you are very innocent, but you listen to others. Okay, you think a lot. You are very airy element. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini sign I am seeing. Fire element I am seeing. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So either you have taken an impulsive decision, or your person has taken an impulsive decision and chose someone else over you, or you have chose someone else over your person, and now you are waiting for that person because you have faced some sort of downfall, or now you have realized something. So any sort of situation, whether it was a relationship or it is not about relationship, then someone might have cheated you, deceived you, taken advantage of your uh, time, money, uh, or any your body or your money or your time, energy, it is going to change. Okay, that good karma you are going to get. Definitely expect powerful change. So suddenly it is going to happen. You might be in a surprise that how come this has happened. In this pile I am not getting so many messages because I feel like you were at the mistake. You guys who's watching, you are at the mistake, and you did something wrong to someone, and that is why your good karmas are blocked for some time period. This can be you or your person energy. Okay, this is a general reading, so don't try to fit everything. Okay, those who's in the king of wands energy, who has cheated a girl and chose someone else over this girl, though those people I'm talking about. If you are not this person, then take take this reading as a general reading. Okay, yeah, so that is what I'm feeling. Top of the deck we have received the dream, and bottom of the deck we have received the control. So you used to control this person, and I can feel this card wants to pop out, this change card, twin flame card. This is the twin flame card. Over here also I am getting twin flame energy, so you might have chose pile 1 also, or if you are attracted to pile 1, you can go and watch it. Okay, this can be connected energy as well for some of you. So if you were controlling, or someone has controlled you, or someone has controlled over you, or in this situation, then I can see this change is going to happen. Definitely see, with this expect powerful change, new moon eclipse, and with this change card. If you are in twin flame journey, you are going to meet your twin flame, and universe, God, angels and source is going to make it happen. That is your good karma and this person's good karma. This is your dream basically, and this person's dream as well. And someone has taken away this dream from you, whether you have listened to someone else, or whether someone has taken advantage of your kindness or sweetness or pure heart, or taken advantage of your innocent behavior, innocent nature, or someone has behaved sneakily. So this is your dream basically, to have a love life, a better partner, a good you want to be known as a power couple, a good couple. So this is your dream basically, to have a true love or a partner in your life. You are going to receive, okay, this positive karma you are reaping. You are going to get your dream fulfilled. Okay, 6 number might be important. In pile 1 also I have received number 2 and number 6, those sort of vibe. And in this also pile 2, in pile 2 number 2 and number 6 might be important dates. Though in pile 1 I didn't mention number 2 and number 6 is important, but in this I am mentioning because it is connected to pile 1. So in this I am mentioning number 2 and 6 might be important numbers or dates. Okay, you are going to meet your twin flame already. If you are met, then you are going to be in reunion with your twin, and you just need to come out of the you just need to come out of this bad past experiences, because you are clinging to the past. That is why I am saying you need to come out of this bad past experiences. Okay, and stop comparing yourself to others, then you'll reap the good karmas. Okay, and you can expect a big change, a powerful change. You can expect reunion with your twin flame or with your divine counterpart. Okay, you can expect to come out of the sneaky behavior, and to come out of the people who used to keep buttering on you. Or you can expect to come out of out of any controlling situation, or if you are under control by over you are controlled by you are controlled by someone, or someone in your I'm sorry, Your throat chakra might be blocked. I can sense that you need to speak. If your throat chakra is blocked, it is going to change, okay? And if you are controlled by someone, whether it is your father, boss, person, lover, anyone, you are going to come out of this situation. That karma is going to change, and if you are going to receive your dream. This reading is more sort of a love reading based, but it can be anyone. It can be about anything, okay? If this is not your lover, or this is not about love, then I can see new opportunity, new beginning is coming. That is a good karma. And if someone has behaved sneakily, ditched you or deceived you, whether it was your friend, family, anyone, then those sort of things will change, and that person will have to say sorry to you, apologize to you, and those are the good karmas coming to you. And you will come out of the controlling and dark period, and you will reap the good karmas of your innocence. We have received the yes card also from angels, but you just need to stop clinging to the past, and come out of those sad and bad memories. That is what I am feeling. Let's see the charms also. Wow, we have received the horse. See, so we have over here also we have received the Knight of Wands. So basically you want to communicate with someone, it is going to happen. If you want to meet someone, it is going to happen. If you are expecting any communication from someone, it is going to happen. If you are like want to travel or want forward moment in your relationship or overall in your life, it is going to happen. That good karma you are reaping off, definitely. With this horse spirit, everything is going to be positive, and you will come out of the darkness into the light. For some of you, I can feel you are going through some sort of dark night of the soul, so you are going to be spiritually awakened, some sort of spiritual enlightenment you are going to feel. That is why you are going facing this downfall at the moment for some of you. So that is your good karma, that you are going to be spiritually awakened. Spiritual ascension is going to happen. It is going to happen. That is why you are going through this dark period. So with this horse, I am saying your communication is coming, clarity is coming, and fast forward movement is coming, and ascension, spiritual awakening and ascension is coming for you guys. Wow. Initials for you, we have received R. Wow. We have received V. So this can be, see, you might get victory over with this horse, and with this V, I can sense you might get victory over this controlling situation or over this controlling person. You will receive good karmas in terms of that you will receive the victory over this controlling person or controlling situation. Yes. Or V, and also V and R are the initials. So you go and watch pile 1 as well, please. I can sense definitely a lot of negative and bad people are around you, and you need to change those people, those friends, those loved ones, those relatives. Stop talking to them if they are very bad for your energy, if they are not good to you, if they are too sweet on your face and speak bad behind your back, or if not, then they have no good intentions with you. They are continuously in your ear speaking bad about others, and they are just treating you like you are a puppet, and they just using you as a puppet. Then you should be careful with this sort of energy, with this 7 of Swords and with this bug charm I am feeling. So please be aware of these people, okay? See, your throat chakra is going to be open, because I can see for some of you, most of you, your throat chakra is not properly activated. I mean to say, it is blocked. You are not able to express yourself. You are just looking at this person. You are not communicating. You are not taking any action. You are just not able to express yourself. You are just not able to stand up for yourself. You are not able to take firm decisions, or you are not able to take control on your life. Other person is controlling your life, or people are controlling your life because you have given them the opportunity, because you are giving them the chance, because you are very innocent and pure and kind. You listen to others. You should stop listening to others. First and foremost, this thing you will have to do. You'll have to stop listening to others, and then transformation will come. Because I can see a lot of people who is like a snake are around you. Those sort of energy I'm getting from this vibe. So make good friends, okay? For some of you, I can sense you are a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, along with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So if you don't have good friends right now in your life, you are going to get blessing from the sky, that you are going to get good friends. Those who have right now, they don't have good friends, which I can see. Then you are going to receive, good friends in your life, or well wishers in your life, and some sort of enjoyment you are going to have with your loved ones, with your good friends, with this person especially whom you are thinking about or whom you are stalking. The celebration will come. You might celebrate some festivals or birthdays or anniversary with that person. This person will be your life partner as well. I can see those sort of vibe. Currently you don't know the answers. You are looking for the solution, and you currently feel like everything is blocked. I am going into the darkness. I am going in, downfall is going on. I am lacking. So you will come out of all this situation, okay? From this situation, okay? And you will receive the solution. So you will come out of the darkness, or you will come into the light basically, and you will know the true colors of people, whether they are friends, family. Those sort of good karmas you are reaping, okay? That the universe is going to remove bad people from your life. It is going to be good thing. And if you feel controlled by someone, you will become like this horse, and you will going to get on your horse and go for a ride, and forward fast movement will be coming into your life. Victory you will receive. You will receive communication. You will meet your lover, your soulmate, your divine counterpart, twin flame, and you will receive love. You will have new beginning. Those sort of good karmas you are reaping. You will reap in your future, and the dream you are going to get fulfilled. For some of you, if you are in around this negative people, if you will not get rid of these people, then this good karmas will take time, okay? If you are not getting rid of these friends or bad people or family or anyone, this can be, if you are not getting rid of these bad people, then good karmas will take time, and good people like this lady, or your counterpart, your twin flame, your soulmate will not be around you. You will not receive good friends. So you need to be very careful. If you want solution, if you want to come out of the controlling situation, then if you want to have good life, good partner, good friends, then you'll have to get rid of this bad people. They are your friends, they can be your family. I can see almost every person around you is a bad, with bad intention or lower energy or lower vibration, like snakes, and because of them your throat chakra is blocked, because you don't take stand for yourself, or you don't take firm decision, or you don't express yourself, because your throat chakra is also blocked, and you want to run from this situation. You want to take go out, come out of this situation, but you are not able to. You want fast forward movement in your life. So you are on a twin flame journey, so but you listen to other people, so you need to come out of that. Otherwise your good karmas will take time. That is what I am feeling. But most of you, I can see you will come out of that. You will heal your throat chakra. You will have good friends, or some sort of advice or guidance you will receive, and then afterwards you will receive good karmas after a month, or in new moon eclipse, in next new moon eclipse. Those sort of vibe I am getting, and you will be celebrating with your twin flame, your counterpart, okay? And someone has taken advantage of your body, or if someone was in and out of your relationship, you'll take control of and you'll take charge of the situation with this charm. Strongly I am feeling a lot of messages I'm getting now in this pile. At start I was not getting it, but I pulled out some cards and charms. Now I'm getting a lot of messages. So you go and watch pile 1 as well, because initials we have received over there also R, and over here also R, and another is V initial. So also victory you will receive, you will get. And if you want some sort of um, um, safe environment in your life, you are going to have, okay, those are the good karmas you will have, and you'll reap. And if you want secure partnerships, secure relationship, you will have it, okay. You'll celebrate with your partner, but just try to express yourself and get rid of these people. Sooner or later you are going to receive your good karmas with this yes card. And in pile 1 also we have received the yes angel card and in pile 2 also we have received the yes angel card. So a lot of similar energy. In pile 1 also twin flame, pile 2 also twin flame, in pile 1 also R initial, in pile 2 also R initial. In pile 1 also I have received new charms and new messages. I have got in pile 2 also new charms, new messages I am going to pull out, okay. From this new messages I am going to pull out. And I have used in this video this new option also to choose from these grapes. So a lot of newness and new things and new opportunities are also going to come your way because of your good karmas. This is for collective also. I am feeling like in pile 1 also, in pile 2 also, new opportunity, new romance, new startup, new beginnings, and endings of bad things, bad people from your life, and a lot of new things are coming. And you are going to receive a lot of help also. So let's see few messages. I can see I love you. So the person whom you are waiting for, whom you are stalking or looking at the pictures, that person is saying I love you, okay. That is the feminine energy, definitely your counterpart, or the lady you are looking waiting for most of you. Rock star, okay, that lady you look you look at her like a rock star. I am getting your person's energy more, and I can feel a particular male person is watching this, and this is a specific message for them, who's watching that twin flame or divine counterparts social media, or spying that person, stalking them, those sort of vibes. So kiss me. So your this wish is also going to be fulfilled. Good karmas. Another I want to pull out for you. Don't touch me. So currently your person with whom you had a tower moment, or with whom third party or third person interference was there, with you whom you had a fight or breakup or separation, who is your twin flame divine counterpart, that person is currently saying don't touch me. But if you'll as soon as you'll take action, you'll express yourself, and you'll come out of this negative people or negative friends, you are going to receive good karmas, and you will be with this person, enjoying your life, enjoying your days and nights, and you'll celebrate with this person, you will enjoy your whole life with this person. So that good karma is coming to you. But more sort of energy in this pile I am getting, that you need to take action and you need to express yourself. Two things you need to do. And third, you need to get out of, you need to kick these people, these bad people from your life. This you have to do. After that you will enjoy and you will reap good karmas. And most of you, I can see, you will definitely reap good karmas, but after some time, okay, after 1 month or after few weeks. For some of you it will take time, until and unless you express yourself. So but definitely you are going to get good karmas, you are going to reap good karmas, and that is what you are reaping right now also by realizing your mistake. This can be your person's energy as well. Okay, so this is a general reading. So this is what I feel for you, pile 2. Go and watch pile 1 if you feel attracted to. I can sense similar energy in that also. So thank you so much, guys. Love and light to you. Namaste. I hope you liked it, my charm reading, my tarot reading style, my messages style, and I hope you get a lot of good karmas and newness and new things and new people and new beginnings in your life. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. And please remember, this was a general reading. For private reading, you can go to my Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. You can DM me or you can email me. I have mentioned all the links and details in the description box below. Please like. Yeah, you guys don't like my videos. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. It is free. Okay, spread positivity. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Love you all.